My name is Adam Contant. I'm 32 years old, and I currently work at Fab Corporation as a welder fabricator. My grandfather was a welder, my father was a welder, I am a welder. When you first walk in the doors, there's a sense of amazement you get that just makes you feel like you want to be here all the time. It's kind of like you're transported back in time, having the blacksmithing area, while simultaneously going forward in time, all the state-of-the-art welding equipment, plasma cutting. I think their selectiveness means that you're surrounded by motivated individuals, which makes learning a very easy thing to do. The class size is ideal for getting enough one-on-one teacher time and having strong camaraderie with fellow students. Being a part of the Arc and Flame community is more valuable than any one experience that I had here. Since completing the program, my career has really taken off. I've been promoted several times with a higher salary, as I'm capable of much more. My grandfather, Roger Contant, started FabWeld 56 years ago from nothing, moving here from Canada. Through his hard work, as well as my father's, the business has survived through the years, so that now I stand in a place to potentially take it over in the future. If you're thinking about becoming a welder and joining this program, just do it. At the very least, you spend a lot of time with some great humans, and at the best, you got a jump start into the career of your dreams.